Hi everybody, this is Lisa. I decided to pull the sweet potatoes on this bed today because I have to get this amended because my garlic has come. So I pulled all the vines off first because I didn't want to waste anybody's time watching me pull the vines off. So let's see what we have. I think this is the second setting of the potatoes I planted, but we'll find out, see what we have. Yeah. Oh, we have this one here. It doesn't look like that they're that big, but that's okay. I might get some, might not, but I did good in my container. But let's see what we have in here, because it doesn't look like we have really anything in here. But like I said, you win some and you lose some. So yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, this is a good size right here. So like I said, they're rooting, but I need to get these out because I have my garlic. I have to mend this with compost and bone meal, blood meal. I mix all that up and mix it in the soil. So when I plant my garlic, it's already fed by the time I put my garlic in here. So, but I'm gonna cover up with cardboard because I don't want the cats to come in here. Oh, here's a little one. I know I said I was gonna do this at the end of the month, but I need to get these out of here. There's that one. Oh, this is okay size. There's this one. I'm sorry about the other video I'm rambling on, but I never used a tripod and still getting used to learning how to use it, and I shouldn't have went out there and put my feelings out there, but anyways, this is exciting because I love pulling out potatoes. Oh, that's a onion or something. So let's see. I might not have much in here because I really didn't feed the potatoes in here. I try to keep it moist, but the soil is really wet, but it feels like I have a lot down here. Let's see. Oh yeah. It's okay if I don't get that many because I still have the ones I got a container. Here's this one. Small one. So yeah. Looks like I was getting some more. Because see, yeah, that one I've gotten big all the time. It's okay if I don't get that many. I'm not gonna complain. Can't be greedy, you know. Sometimes, you know, it's like there's a chance you might not get any, and they're all vines, and there's a chance they're small ones. But like I said, the container one gave me pretty much, because I can have them for the holidays. Got a small one here. This I'm just gonna put in a compost bin because it's no point of using that. So yeah, didn't plant that many in here. I don't remember, but I have my own compost because you see the eggshells, but this dirt's real soft. So this dirt soil is real soft. Let's see what else we have. If I only have that many, that's fine. I don't mind. Oh, I feel some more. They're little, but that's okay. There's another one here. They're all little ones, but that's okay. My grandkids will love those little ones. This is okay size, small. Because this is not in the deep ground, so they won't get that big. I got a couple little ones. What? Okay, bye. My daughter's going to work. That's okay if I don't get a lot in here. I don't mind. Because, yeah. Yeah, I think that's gonna be about it. And I've gotten more vines than potatoes. But I need to get these out. Yeah. Let's see what we have over here. There are a lot of little ones, but like I said, can't be picky. And they went under the ground cover. See, it has the ground cover on it. Yeah. That because it got wrapped around the ground cover. Sorry about the air conditioner. I'll try to talk a little louder now, but yeah, I just got little ones. That's okay. These ones, because I usually plant my garlic in this bed. Oh, this one's a big one. I keep making that mistake of rubbing it too hard, but that's fine. I got this one. One grew over there. A little one. I think it's, yeah, to the ground cover. I would think the Gopher's been. Gopher's been good too. On this stuff. I get a lot of Gophers here. But I think that's about it. But like I said, when I planted my sweet potatoes, they were real tiny tubers. They weren't that big, so I knew I wasn't gonna get that big of a harvest out of here. But I need to get this ready for my garlic. Yeah, it's going underneath the. I have a lot of small ones. I have my own compost in here, like I said. So yeah, a lot of babies. You can make sweet potato mash or make fries with them. So yeah, see. Little ones. Because they find way over here. So I think that's about it. Playing in the dirt like a little kid. Yeah, I mean, there's a few big ones, a few medium-sized ones, small ones, baby ones. I have the other ones curing on my table in the kitchen because, yeah, I don't want to leave them out because we get rodents I mean, there's the stray cats, but still. But more or less, this is my harvest. And you could tell, I mean, I water, but for some reason, it wasn't going deep into the raised bed. It's all dry. I made this out of pallets. My son used to bring me some pallets, and but now he moved to the Bay Area, so so I try to make my own raised beds, and I mean, you could, like I said, it seemed like I did little bigger ones in my container, but yeah, I'm not gonna cry about it, be picky. Let me see over here, because I didn't come over here. Let's see. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's about it. But I need to put cardboard on top because, like I said, I don't want the cats to get in here and do their business. Do the business. But this is my little harvest, my little raised bed here that I made. Thank God for what I get. With everything going on in the grocery stores, food's getting expensive. I grow in buckets. My son works at a pizza place, and he brings me the buckets that the food comes in that they throw away. I use that. Fabric containers, even cardboard boxes. You can grow your potatoes and stuff. But I planted my carrots, peas. My green beans are doing okay. Gotta pick some. But yeah, I just wanted to get this ready. Like I said, I have to amend it. I have to put compost and bone meal and all that, so I can get ready for my garlic. Because by the time I plant my garlic, it should be amended and ready to plant. So that is my small little harvest, and I'm not going to complain. I'm happy with that. And everybody enjoy your day. I go back to work tomorrow. I'm in a shade. So, but it's hot today, but I'm in a shade. That's why I did it. Plus, like I said, I usually put my garlic in here and stuff. And I think in the other one over there, I think I'm going to plant potatoes there. But I'm curing my potatoes to plant and see how that goes. But okay, well, this is Lisa, and it's my small harvest of sweet potatoes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be safe out there, enjoy your day, and stay cool. Like I said, if you live in a hot climate, stay warm. If you live in a cold climate, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.